How to add a product configurator to your website without spending 6 months and a fortune in development. This is Convert. With Convert, you can build simple and advanced product configurators and embed them on your website. Perhaps you need a simple configurator, like this t-shirt configurator. It has multi-steps and displays the prices up front for the customer. You can also choose to link to a billing provider to collect payments directly and email customers their order details. You can build incredibly advanced product configurators, even ones with thousands of variations. This one has lots of filters for customers to choose from. We can even support advanced use cases, like 3D images. It can fit your brand colors and UX preferences. There are no constraints or molds you must fit into. Embed them anywhere on your site or host them on a standalone page. This product configurator supports a wide range of variations. You can use formulas just like in a spreadsheet. You can also upload a spreadsheet with image links and formulas, especially useful for mature companies. There are a few ways to create it. The first is to explore our templates. I'll start with a simple one. My laptop's running some heavy background tasks, and it didn't load correctly, so I'll hit refresh. On the left, you see some input options for users to select from. On the right, it's a visual input selector. The main image is a layered image. You can see the logic of when each variation shows up. There are lots of options to choose from, like location fields, payment options, containers, range sliders, and more. A layered image helps you layer or replace different pieces together. You can display custom prices with spreadsheet-like formulas. The second option is to ask our team if we can support your configurator. The third way is to have our concierge build for you.